The most terrifying thing about the Iran war is not the missiles. Let me explain this because this is the future of warfare and it has been used strategically twice already. Iran is firing thousands of drones, and the problem isn't stopping them. The problem is the math. A drone costs anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s to build. You know what it costs to intercept it? An Iron Dome missile? $50,000 to $100,000 per shot. A Patriot missile? Up to $1 million per intercept. These numbers might not be 100% accurate, but you get the idea. Iran fires a $500 drone. You spend $1 million to stop it. That's a financial bleeding strategy, and it works. We saw this exact dynamic play out in Operation Sindoor, India's precision strikes on Pakistan in May 2025. Pakistan responded with waves of drones and missiles. India's air defense systems, Patriots, S-400s, intercepted them successfully. But the cost asymmetry was staggering. The attacker spends almost nothing. The defender bleeds their treasury with every intercept. Now scale that to Iran, which has been making drones like a cottage industry for years, not in one factory. In distributed, decentralized, small-scale production across the country. You bomb one facility, 50 others keep running. That's by design. The future of war is not two armies facing each other. It's one side flooding the battlefield with cheap drones, and the other side going bankrupt trying to stop them. This is the new asymmetric warfare, and nobody has a real answer for it yet.